So hello guys, welcome back to another Python tutorial on operators in coding compass. Today we're going to learn about the operators in Python, that is relation operators, logical operators and boolean operators. So guys, this would be some small video guys, so just don't get upset. The next video we'll learn about the bitwise operator. It will be a bit interesting guys. So let's start now. First let's solve the relational operator. The relational operators are used to compare two quantities. So as the name suggests, you should write two quantities like a equal to, or just you can just open the ideal Python. Right, you can go here and Python, ideal Python, where is it? Yeah, let me just full screen it so it will be easy. You can just zoom it by control and scrolling it up and down. So yeah, I just scrolled it to a max. So right, let's start. Relational operators. We can understand whether the values are same or which one is bigger, which one is lesser using the operators. These operators will give the result as true or false depending on the values compared as shown. Now. So let's start. First, let's start with the greater than operator. This symbol here, just the same symbol as this one. We can write something like 10 greater than 20. This will output as true or false. If 10 is greater than 20, that will output true. If 10 is not greater than 20, it will output false. Now it will output false. But instead, if you write 10 is greater than 20 is greater than 10, it will input true. In the same way, there is a lesser than operator. Right. Then there comes now just say is 10 just read this equation, 10 greater than 10. What do you say about this equation? Will this answer come true or false? Comment your answer guys. Let's see who gets the right, how much person get the right answer. So let's start. Now it will absolutely input false because 10 is not greater than 10 guys. 10 is equal to 10. So in that cases, if you want to check whether 10 is greater than or equal to 10, we can just put the operator 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Once again guys, 10 is greater than or equal to 10. So it will input true. The same way you can write lesser than or equal to 10. It will again input true. Then comes the two most important operators guys. Assignment operator. 10 equal to 10 compares whether this value is equal to this value. That all happened guys. See, true. And 10 not equal to, this is symbol is not equal to, is one, I mean exclamatory and equal to. This will input true if 10 is not equal, I mean this value is not equal to this value. Now it will absolutely input false. I just change the value, right? 20. Now it will put true. So that's it, the relational operators guys. Right. That's it, the relational operators. The relational operators are generally used to create conditions in control statements. I'll just talk about them after we finish the operators lesson. Right. Now let's start the logical operators and boolean operators. Let's just take a combined session of those because they both are just literally the same, with the only answer that the only outcome that logical operators comes in integers while boolean operators comes in boolean values. Now let's take again two values, a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Now there are three logical operators: and, or, not. This is cost error because I didn't do anything. Or let me just comment it out. 1 second guys. Comment not first and hashtag or hashtag not. So guys, now let's start it. First and operator. Let's just take, I think we are assigned the values a and b, right? Yeah, a and b. A and Now see, it will put 2. Do you know why, guys? Do you know why? But instead of A and B, if I write B and A, what do you think what will be the answer? It will put 1. This is because the AND operator, see here, the AND operator, if X is false, I mean if A is false, it returns X, A, I mean, and otherwise it returns B. Understood? Let's just change the value of A to 0, then we'll start it. Right, A equal to 0. I think I have said you 0 is considered as false. So A and B, what will you give? 0. That's it, guys. That's it. The OR, no, AND operator. Then comes the OR operator, A or B. If A is false, it returns Y. Otherwise, it returns A. Now it returns A. Now let's just change to A equal to like 100, and A or B, it returns 100 because it now returns A. Then NOT operator. This is like a Boolean operator only. If A equal to, if not A, you should write not A. If A is false, it returns true. If it is true, it returns false. If not A means what is 100? Any positive integer is called true. So it will return false. And if you write not 0, it will put true. So that's it, guys, with the operator right here. So logical and Boolean. This will be a short video, as I have said. So thank you guys for watching. In our next video, we will learn about something interesting, Boolean operators. I mean bitwise operators. So thank you guys for watching. Let's see back in another Python tutorial.